Back at Olive Hall, but my nephew was so fast he had already reached the hall ahead of us. I'd never forget my baby, and she could tell I was looking out for her. I have a feeling she has a sixth sense. She always seems to sense things before they happen. During buffet tea time, I enjoyed a curry puff, French fries, and some fried noodles. I also had 2 servings of the red bean dessert. It was so good that I still miss it. It was the first thing to be finished, and unfortunately, I couldn't have a 3rd serving. We enjoyed a secret recipe cake because my brother's company was celebrating the birthdays of their April-born staff. We were settling our luggage into our room at White Jasmine B, fresh and modern-looking Greece-inspired room. Our room was just a short distance from the dining hall and conveniently positioned in the middle, allowing easy access to all areas. As soon as we entered the room, the first thing we saw was my bed. Our room can accommodate 5 to 6 adults and includes a private bathroom with a bathtub. The price for our room is Rm $660 plus per night. The package price covers 2D1N stay with 4 buffet meals, afternoon tea, dinner, breakfast, and lunch, and 3D2N stay with 8 buffet meals, 2 breakfasts, 2 lunches, 2 afternoon teas, and 2 dinners. Additional guests must purchase an add-on package for meals and facilities. For a 2D1N stay, Rm $174 plus per adult, Rm $119 plus per child, 5 to 12 years old, and for a 3D2N stay, Rm $348 plus per adult, Rm $238 plus per child, 5 to 12 years old. My mom chose that bed because she was afraid of the cold from the air conditioner. She wanted to sleep where she could avoid the direct airflow. A washroom with an open roof design, but the top is covered with glass to allow natural light while keeping it enclosed. Our mom stayed in the room to rest while my nephew, sister-in-law, and I headed off for some grass sliding.
We哋喺下邊咗啦。我喺對面行去就係啦，好近嘅啫，其實。頭先我哋行嗰個 camera walk 就係對面啫嘛。如果直筆咧就榴蓮樹，榴蓮樹嚟嘅應該。係啊，榴蓮樹。有兩堂車嚟。
I was my mom's test subject for grass sliding, an outdoor activity where you slide down a gentle hill using specially designed boards. This game is available in 2 sessions only, morning session 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and evening session 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Before sliding down, we had to carry the boards and climb multiple ladders to reach the top of the hill. I wasn't sure my mom would be able to manage that many ladders. Initially, my sister-in-law and I thought about backing out. The long and narrow grass seemed a bit frightening. But in the end, we pushed ourselves to give it a try. I was the last to slide down. At one point, I shut my eyes as I slid down. Even though it wasn't that scary, I only slid down twice. The second time, I kept my eyes open. Situated just beside the grass sliding area, the Joyous Castle is a beautifully designed mini castle with a delightful charm. It operates from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. There was a mini rock climbing wall, rope climbing, and a mini slide, perfect for kids who love a challenge. Behind this wall, there were handcrafted wooden board mini games. Next to the Joyous Castle, we came across a wonderful selection of handcrafted wooden mini games that are as educational as they are fun. I wonder why the games room is only available during these specific time slots. Since the games aren't dangerous for kids, why not extend the hours from morning till night, like 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.? If it's for safety reasons, then why wasn't there staff inside the games room to monitor the activities? Balance plate. Kids balance a wooden ball on a plate, enhancing their coordination and balance in a fun physical challenge. Power gun. A safe shooting game where children aim at targets, improving focus, hand-eye coordination, and precision. Slow and steady. In this fishing game, kids catch blocks with rods, teaching patience and perseverance as they improve control and concentration. It was my first time to play Amazing Sand Carving. This imaginative station lets children mold and shape kinetic sand into creative masterpieces, stimulating fine motor skills and enhancing sensory play. Colourful Bowling001. A vibrant game where kids knock down colorful pins, enhancing their aim and control while enjoying friendly competition. Finger Power. This dexterity game challenges kids to flick small objects at targets, boosting hand strength and fine motor skills in a fun way. After completing his company's team building activities, my brother joined us at the natural hot springs, Serene Spring. Hot springs, where geothermal energy from deep within the earth warms the water to an ideal temperature for relaxation and healing. The hot springs feature 5 distinct pools, with temperatures ranging from a soothing 29 degrees Celsius to a comforting 40 degrees Celsius. This natural hot spring operates from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m., offering visitors a relaxing experience throughout the day. This is the hottest pool, but when I tested the heat from the little fountain, it didn't feel very hot to me. I have doubts about whether it's truly natural. I wonder if they've placed a built-in water heater beneath the ground to heat the water artificially. Hot springs usually have a distinct sulfur smell, but surprisingly, this one didn't have it. That's why I have my doubts about them being truly natural. Behind the hottest pool, there was an entrance that looked like a small trail guiding the way to the main lobby.
Don't know. Maybe inside got nothing here. Okay, we have a small sunken in here. 勁嘅，哎呀好涼喎呢度，呢度好涼喎。
With a little time to spare before dinner, we took a short walk along other small trail and revisited the Joyous Castle. On our way out of the hot spring, we noticed a small trail, and my nephew and I couldn't resist taking a quick look inside.
Is it the opposite one? Yeah.
We followed the trail to its end, only to find that there wasn't anything interesting inside. Thankfully, I wasn't alone. I had my nephew with me. This place wouldn't feel very safe on my own. Right before me is the Inky River. I revisited the Joyous Castle. Perhaps a prince awaited my arrival?